Hey guys, we are here today for a DIY at-home haircut.
I'm scared.
From your local It's Just Hair, who cares what happens, non-professional mama. Last year we did a teeny tiny wolf cut on her and it came out amazing. Thanks Brad Mondo. So we are back again to try another Brad Mondo tutorial, which is
the butterfly cut.
The butterfly cut.
It should be called the unicorn cut. You have your mane and your horn.
The mane and the horn. So we'll go with the unicorn cut. We'll see what happens. It's just hair. The worst that can happen, we gotta go to a professional to fix what I messed up. Look at how long! I mean, it's out of control long. It's down to her waist. So we're gonna cut off a good bit. We've got a sprayer to wet her hair. We've got a fine tooth comb. We've got professional-ish scissors. We've also got thinning shears, some clips, and 2 ponytail holders. And of course, Brad Mondo on YouTube. We're gonna balance it on her head to find the apex, the highest point of her head. Zoop! So it's right here.
What do you mean you balanced it on my head?
So we're gonna comb everything from the apex forward. All this comes forward for your unicorn horn, right?
Yes.
Went from the apex to right behind the ear, and now look up. Yes. Now we are going to comb and get this as flat as possible, right to between the brows. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Wait, where's your brows? Ah! Where's your brows? There it is. You wanna look like a unicorn.
Yay.
Yay.
No. For a second I looked like a
Oh
pig.
no. Okay, hold on. I don't know. I mean,
Do I look like unicorn?
now the back of the hair is gonna go into a high pony. That is the highest we can go, Miss Ariana Grande. Okay, you find it? Where do you want to do it?
Here.
There. Right here?
Yeah, right there.
You hold the end. You hold here. No, down here so you catch it. Ready?
I can't watch. Ah.
Boom.
No.
Woo! Okay. We did the front. We did the unicorn. Now we're gonna do the pony. So you bring it forward this way.
Here.
There. Are you sure? A little more. Okay, you hold the end.
Actually here.
Okay.
Above here.
You ready? Above my fingers? Okay. Here?
No.
Higher?
Yeah.
We need a space
Above
to
your
fix it. Okay, you hold the bottom here. That's gonna fall down.
Above your fingers.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Count down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It is done! Oh,
My hair!
oh my gosh! Look at that, what's happening?
My hair!
Apparently that's it, so let's take it down and see how it looks.
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah! Oh. My God.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
I want to let it dry and see what it looks like
Okay.
at the end.
Well, but we're
no,
gonna take a shower, hold on. Okay.
No, I want to see what it looks like at the end.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, we gotta
Yeah.
get this back into your regular
Okay.
part. What do you part it down the middle, right? My trusty wet brush here. I love it. Ooh! Oh, this is fun! So layered. Look at this fun, like short in the front, and then it kind of gradually goes back to longer in the back. Oh my goodness, how fun is this? We kept the length. We could trim that up a bit if we want, but look at all these layers now. So fun, and it was just one chop here and one chop up there. That's all we did. And here's how it looks in the back. Look at all these layers that just happened, and this is on straight, half Asian, half Caucasian hair. It's thin, but not super thin. Yes, looks great. So there's the front layers, kind of like a Jennifer Aniston. And then you're like, woo, bringing the fun from the back. Look at how fun this is. Like a modern long mullet, kind of, almost. Love it. Short in the front, long in the back. It's like a long mullet. Love it. It's so cute. Love it, love it. And it was really easy.
Can I see a picture?
Yes.